Hello everyone and a warm welcome to the Weather Centre on this Christmas Day. A cold front is currently affecting the country, passing along the coastline, bringing some rain to the south coast at first, and those conditions are going to spread up to KwaZulu-Natal later on. Along with that, it's going to become very windy all across the eastern coastline of the country, while inland it will be far more settled with lots of sunshine for some areas and some very high temperatures. Showers and thunderstorms possible over Limpopo and Mpumalanga, but it's also going to be a very hot and humid day for some parts of those provinces. An alert has been issued for today. That's for gale force winds, which could develop along the Eastern Cape coastline between Cape St Francis and East London, where wind speeds could exceed 65 kilometers per hour. A quick glance at the rainfall map shows a few showers at first along the south coast, which will clear out later on, and rain is going to make its way up the east coast and the adjacent interior, pushing towards the escarpment areas of Limpopo and Mpumalanga by this evening. But before then, as we've already seen, there could be a few thunder showers over those provinces, but from Gauteng all the way through to the western coastline, it's going to be a dry and sunny day for those areas. Quick look at your detailed forecast, where we see some very high temperatures in the Lowveld. As mentioned, it is going to be an uncomfortably humid day over the area. Hot for some parts of KwaZulu-Natal at first, but that will change later on as cloudy weather pushes in across the province. Pietermaritzburg, you'll reach a high of 24 degrees. And we also see similar conditions along the coastline. Windy weather all across the east coast of South Africa for today, along with some rain. Not the best day to head to the beach. Over the southern interior, it's going to be a warm afternoon for most places in the mid-20s as an average maximum temperature. While along the coastline, we see some light rain at first, clearing out later on, but it will be fairly breezy across this area, and swells have picked up quite a bit. Fairly rough out there, so something to take note of. Sunny, hot and dry for the Northern Cape once again. Very little change from what we've seen over the last few days. And along the Atlantic coastline of the country, windy weather in the forecast for your Christmas afternoon, along with bigger swells averaging at about 4 meters around the peninsula. Heading into the day of goodwill, we see it remains dry and hot for the western parts of the country. Thunder showers for a cloudier Gauteng, and cloudy weather in the forecast all across the far eastern parts, Bombela reaching a maximum of only 20 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre. Have a wonderful Christmas.